Why there is noise on my image?
Hello friends, is there noise or grain in the image? And we have to remove the noise from this image. And we will remove this noise in a way that we have to do less work ourselves. That is, we can work with just clicks. So, let's get started. We will create two duplicate layers of this image by pressing Ctrl+J. Disable the top layer and activate the layer below it. And now we will open the Camera Raw filter here. Camera Raw filter in Photoshop has powerful, Lightroom-like editing tools. Here in the details you are seeing that the AI Denoise option is not available. This denoise option is available on Mac. With this we can enable it in Windows, but it won't be of any use. I'll show you how to enable it in Windows here. I'm canceling from here, and then I'll tell you how we'll enable it. Go to Edit, Preferences, then click on Camera Raw. This will open the Camera Raw Preferences. Select File Handling, and suppose our image is in JPEG format. Here we have to select Automatically Open All Supported JPEGs, and you have to click on OK. Now, we will close this image here. And now, we're going to open this image here. This image will now direct open in the Camera Raw filter. Now if we expand the detail, we will see the denoise and raw details. Super resolution is only active, while denoise and raw details are grayed out. And we see it written that denoise is not currently compatible with this photo format. Adobe's AI Denoise tool only supports Bayer and X-Trans mosaic raw files. It will not work on JPEGs, TIFFs, HEIC, or linear DNGs. Ensure your image is a true raw file, example CR2, .nef, .arw, and not a JPEG or TIFF. And these formats open in Mac as it appears to you in Mac. In Windows, we will open this image, and denoise is not available here. So we'll do a little less on our own here. And you can see that this is the latest of Camera Raw version 18.0.0.2389. I'll tell you later why this denoise function is disabled in this version. We will be using manual noise reduction here. Here we set the luminance value to 100 and zoom in on the image. And we will set the value of the detail to 40. If there is color noise, you can remove it with this slider. There is no color noise in this image, so we will set the color value to 0 and click on Open. So now you can see the image, the noise has been removed from it. Create a duplicate layer of this image by pressing Ctrl+J here. Desaturate this image by pressing Ctrl+Shift+U. Now go to Filter, Other, then click on High Pass. High Pass filter is a powerful sharpening technique that isolates edge details. Here we will set the high pass value between 1 and 3 pixels. I'm setting its value here to 2.0 and clicking OK. And we'll set its blend mode here to Overlay. If you zoom in on the image and turn this layer off, it will be a little blurry. And if you turn the layer on, the image will be sharper. Create a duplicate layer of the original image by pressing Ctrl+J. Select the two layers above it, and press Ctrl+G to create a group. Inside this group we need to create a levels adjustment layer. For color correction, press Alt and click Auto. Here we will check the Enhance Monochromatic Contrast. And we'll also check the Snap Neutral Midtones and then click on OK. And this is the before image regarding to color correction, and this is after. And here, you will also see the image sharpened. You can see the difference in your image by muting and enabling high pass layer. So one way is that you can remove noise from an image using the camera raw filter. Now we will look at another method that will help us understand why the denoise option was grayed out from the camera raw filter. Create a duplicate layer of this image by pressing Ctrl+J. Now go to Filter and see, there is AI Denoise. Changes were made to the camera raw filter after adding this option. But that denoise option is still available in Mac. So we'll click on AI Denoise here. Here you will see that using Topaz Denoise. Actually, Topaz is now a Photoshop partner model. And it is written that reduce noise while recovering detail in low light photos. So here we have to click on Denoise. Now, this Topaz model will denoise the image here. So with just one click, the noise will be removed from your image. We zoom in on the image to see the difference between before and after. We can do the same thing for color correction of this image. We will create a levels adjustment layer and press Alt and click on Auto. And check the Enhance Monochromatic Contrast. Also check Snap Neutral Midtones and click OK. Clip this layer so that it only affects the layer below it. Select both layers and press Ctrl+G to create a group. And this is the before and after image, but watch the hair. So these are some easy ways to remove noise from image. And if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.